Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 21st May 2026. Reliance Industries' planned IPO for its digital arm Jio Platforms faces significant hurdles due to geopolitical tensions and market volatility exacerbated by the war in Iran. The conglomerate is reviewing the deal's structure, impacting timelines and potentially affecting investor returns amid a downturn in Indian stocks and capital flight. At the heart of the issue is a valuation concern after a deepening slump in the country's equity markets. Adani Power is set to acquire a significant stake in Jaiprakash Power Ventures and a thermal power plant. This move is part of a resolution plan for Jaiprakash Associates. The acquisitions will boost Adani Power's generation capacity and expand its presence in the thermal power sector. The deal is expected to be completed within 90 days of NCLT approval. India's warehousing sector shows strong growth in the first quarter of 2026. Leasing activity increased by 15% compared to the previous year, reaching 19.3 million square feet across 8 major cities. This surge is fueled by demand from manufacturing and third-party logistic firms. Companies are actively enhancing their supply chain networks and distribution capabilities. Standard Chartered plans to cut over 7,000 jobs in 4 years, replacing human capital with technology, particularly impacting back-office roles in India. This move aligns with a broader trend of financial firms leveraging AI and tech hubs in India for both support and higher value functions, though some, like Wells Fargo, are also consolidating operations. Cloud9 Hospitals is set to acquire Apollo Cradle and Apollo Fertility. This strategic move will create India's largest maternity and children's healthcare network. Apollo Health and Lifestyle Limited will hold a significant stake in the combined entity. The deal aims to enhance specialized healthcare access across India. The Reserve Bank of India reverted to its familiar intervention strategy on Thursday, deploying heavy dollar sales via state-run banks before market open to halt a persistent slide in the rupee after a string of all-time lows. The rupee surged on the interbank order matching system to near 96 against the US dollar following heavy intervention, with the currency rallying by about 70 paise within minutes. SoftBank Group stocks have surged significantly. This rise follows reports that two SoftBank-backed companies, OpenAI and SB Energy, are preparing for initial public offerings in the United States. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is reportedly planning a fall debut. SB Energy, focused on data center energy infrastructure, also announced its IPO plans. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.